Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhonda Robson, and I just want to talk a little bit about the past video, but that was discovering two different types of cell activators. And now I'm putting that into play over the next few videos, and I really love this color palette. So I can't wait to show you these next few videos. But let's talk about this one in particular. This one, I used a black cell activator, and it looks really cool. So let's get you down on the canvas and let me show you how I did that one. Thanks a lot. Let's get you down there. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, just like I said in my intro, we're going to use a cell activator in order to create a really cool effect. Okay, well, as you see, I have my pillow paint on there, and I have a fluorescent green. I'm going to put some really vibrant blue and a darker green, and then like an ice frost color blue on here as well. And now I'm going to take my cell activator, number 1, with my Amsterdam black, and I'm just going to swipe it using my palette knife. So I've got the cell activator on the palette knife, and I'm just going to swipe across. I'm not exactly liking what I see, so I'm just kind of playing in it right now. But if you can see, I kind of dragged the black across, and now it's making gray and it's starting to muddy up. So yeah, I'm not really liking it too much. Okay, I didn't like that so much. I mean, I would like it kind of, but not for it to be the final result. So I'm going to try this again. Okay, are you ready? Let's try this again. I think this will be the third time I've tried this. Let's swipe it with the black. Oh, those cells are popping up really nice. I like that. Look at that. Looks really good. Yeah, I want to be really careful on this one. Yeah, look at all those cells. They are popping up so nice. Love it. Again, this is cell activator number 1 with my Amsterdam black paint. And now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of making some little curlies, and then when I spin this, it's going to soften that. Okay, that is amazing. I love it. Gorgeous. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you liked this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.